Hello and welcome back to the next video of Python Bytes problem solving. In this video we will see given a list of integers if the sum of any two numbers is equal to k. In this problem we have been given a list of numbers and a number k. We have to return whether any two numbers from the list add up to k. For example, if we were given a list of 10, 15, 7, 3 and k was given as 25, we know that 10 plus 15 is equal to 25. Hence we return true. But if k was given as 14, we know that no two numbers in this list add to 14. Therefore we return false. Now let us see in the coding part how do we code it. So let us understand. We will take a for loop and we'll iterate through the list. So for I in list, and when we have the element that we are choosing from the list, we will see the difference from the k. So k minus I, and whatever is the part that is remaining, we will see that if this is the remaining part, if remaining in list, we return it as true. So if, for example, over here, if k was 25 and we have chosen 10, so 25 minus 10 is 15, and we see that if 15 is in the list, we return it as true. But there is one case where if k was equal to 20, we would have got 20 minus 10 is equal to 10, and if we check 10 in the list, our program will return it as true, but we have only one 10 in the list. Therefore, whenever we remove a certain number from the total, that is the k, we remove it from the list also. Therefore, we use list dot remove, and that is I. Therefore, that number is removed from the list, and we just have the remainder numbers in the list, which we can check that if the remaining part of the subtraction is there in the list. Now let us go to the coding part and see how to execute this in the coding and see how the working happens. In this problem, we have been given a list of number and a number k, and we have to check if two numbers in the list add to k. If they add, then we have to return it as true. So for that, we have created a function called check addition, and for that there are two arguments, numList and k. So now we have seen in the explanation, we are going to start a for loop for I in the numList, and then we are going to see the difference. So we are going to see difference. So, or maybe we can see remaining rather than difference. So remaining. So k minus I is going to be remaining. And over here we are going to do one step. Is, as we have seen, that we are going to remove that element which we are subtracted from k. So we are going to remove from numList dot remove, and I, because it's in place, we do not have to store the value. Numlist itself will be modified, and we are going to check if remaining in numlist, then return true. So otherwise we return, if anything, if any time it is not returned true, we will return it as false. And now we will remove this pass from here, and we will check addition, and we are going to give out the list 10, 15, 3, 7, and we are going to pass 17 as k over here. And now if we run it, we have to print this so that we get the output if it's true or false. So now let us run, and we get it as true because 10 plus 7 is 17. Let us try adding 14 over here and run it, and we get it as false because none of the numbers in this list add up to 14. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying the Python Bytes problem solving series. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions which you would like me to solve, please post it in the comment section. Goodbye till next time. Keep coding.